Hola, doing a new video, and today is gonna be my first time trying monkey bread. Yeah, and that's the brand right there, Daily Chef. So here we go. Never did this before. Alright, like so. I see that it's a lot of pieces of bread with cinnamon, sugar. I'm not gonna unpeel it, but I'm gonna just eat the whole thing. So, let me unwrap it. What I'm about to do, I'm about to just eat this whole thing. I'm not gonna be trying to be all cute and everything. After the first couple bites, I'm going in, alright? See. Good. This is a little kind of dry. You can see it's real bready in the middle. It would have been nice if they would have had a little bit more of the caramelization going on at the bottom, like the top. But besides that, it's good. I killed the top really. I just bite the top off. And here we go. Bite two. Square pieces. So I can imagine a little bit easy to like use some Pillsbury dough and just like cut into square pieces. Spread cinnamon and sugar, blend with butter or something like that. You see how quick I just put that together? By the way, my shirt. Mouth style. Alright, so there you have it, monkey bread. I'm gonna count my chews, how many chews it takes for me to swallow this, and then I'm wrapping it. Okay, let's go. That was 11. Oh my god. Okay. So, just a little piece of it. This monkey bread. It was good. We're done. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe for me to try other things, and I will do it. So, adios. Thanks for viewing again. Bye bye.